It's like, may mga shortcut kasi siya. Yung unang nang, it's nanong. Tapos nanang nang is iniihaw. And then the last nang is short for nanang or inang. That means mother. So what's mother grilling? Yun yung meaning. Like we're grilling something here in our activity na giving curiosity to the people outside. Yes. Ayan.
Hello guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Alvis Farm dito sa Santa Rita, Pampanga para sa event ng DTI, the Nang Nanang Nang Nang Nang. So Nang Nanang Nang Nang is a Kapampangan tongue twister, meaning what's mother grilling. So this is a brunch with the creatives. Samahan niyo ako at itur ko kayo kung ano ba yung nangyayari ngayon. Ito ang paggawa ng suman. Tay, pwede ko bang itry? Yan na lang. Kadalasan, pinapaikot yan. And
Ang dalawat kalahati po.
so, 3 oras pa bago natin ito
Tapos po
makain.
yan hanggang alas 2.
Yan. Ooh. What if gusto kong? Alright. We have our lechon.
The most fragrant.
This is Sir Andy Alvis, sir.
Hello.
Yan. Mamaya kakainin natin yan. So, papasok na tayo dito sa main hall. Meron lang ini-interview doon. So, tara. So, this is the plenary area. Dito, magdi-discuss mamaya about the creative industries. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan yung poster. Tara, pasok. Si ARD, our Assistant Regional Director, DTI. Kaway lang, ma'am. Dito naman yung fashion area. Of course, we are featuring Pidayit. Nandun si Sir Philip, oh. Sir Kaway. Yan, the maker of the Pidayit. Pidayit means to put together, Pidayit-dayit, pinagtagpi-tagpi. To unite. Torres. Ayan, napakagaling nung play on words, no? PDT, Pidayit. Alam nyo ba na it will take around how many days to finish and to complete this?
30 days, 3 months, and 6 months.
Ganun katagal. 30 days, 3 months, it depends. Ganito siya ka-intricate. Ayan, pwedeng i-zoom.
And they're one of a kind.
One of a kind. Ayan.
Be one of a kind.
So, pag binili mo to, walang katulad. Ayan. Dito naman sa area na to, ang mga furniture na gawa sa Betty's Crafts. Ayan. Provincial Director namin sa DTI Pampanga. Hi, mag-hi lang, ma'am. Okay. Fish be with you. Also to you. Sabi ko kanina, try nila. Mamaya na. May ano yon, may secret kami na gagawin. Ayan. So, metal to, no, sir? Wood. Ayan. Wood parquet. Tingnan niyo, para siyang totoo, guys. So, ayan. Dito naman sa area na to, wala si Sir Lloyd, pero mga portraits, mga watercolor, ayan. And last but not the least, our pottery making. Si Sir Aaron. Ayan. Isa sa mga gumagawa. Ito naman, hindi siya gumagamit ng potter's wheel. Sa kamay lang yan. Kasi may mga customers na gusto yung parang traditional lang. So that's it for our quick tour. Balik tayo kay Joseph. Bye-bye. Right now. So what's the role of your family in this time?
What do you think is the significance of such event?
Well, exposure not only for the artists but also for the communities, for the young ones, so that meron silang pwedeng magaya or parang emulate or tawag dito, inspire sila.
We want to show people that art is for everyone. Everyone can be an artist.
You don't have to be a graduate of fine arts, you don't have to have an award. It's all about creativity, and it's in each and every one of us.
If I'd stayed too long, probably break down and cry.
So in Gagawan Me, the art of molding a clay, the art of making something out of a clay is called pamangulyot. Pamangulyot is the process of doing it.
Good morning everyone. Ako po si Director Edna Dizon ng Department of Trade and Industry, Region 3. Kami po ay nagagalak ngayong morning that we are part of this event here at Alvis Farm dito po sa Santa Rita, Pampanga, to witness the creative sector ng ating Pampanga province. And ang Department of Trade and Industry is now pursuing promotion ng ating creative sector because meron na po tayong Philippine Creatives Industry Development Act na na-implement na po ng ating department. So ngayon po, we are aggressive promoting advocacies and exploring potentials of creatives dito po sa ating bansa, especially dito sa Region 3.
And see an ounce of pain. Oh, sweet child of mine.
Good morning. I am Philip Torres, the creator of Pidayet. Pidayet Pampanga. Pidayet means to put together, to unite, and to connect.
How's
Yes.
the fashion industry in Pampanga?
So for fashion industry in Pampanga, it's really booming. It's doing well. There are a lot of creative people, no, aside from me, and the camaraderie of the designers, the artists, the creatives. It's so parang it's really bountiful as I can see, and looking forward to the good future that we can offer.
Anyway, so as you can see, we put a lot of love into the garden and to the house and to the decor. You see a lot of Pidayet because first time I met Philip, I fell in love with, not with Philip, but with Pidayet. Local culture and local products sell. We sell. I sold. I'm very local, but I was able to make it all the way to international work. So which means I'm a local and I was able to sell myself internationally. So many locals, actually ang daming magagaling sa Pampanga. We've been exporting so many artistic work na hindi natin nakikita dito. There are hundreds of factories all over, Angeles and Porac and all over, and Bacolod. We're just exporting them. It's still the work of Kapampangans. But what we're doing here is to help young artists to realize their business dream of making money out of their art. Yan. So we should all come together and support each other as Kapampangans. Media, the government, business sector, and artists. All of us should support each other.
Managinip na liligaya.
Asa si Aaron?
Ang umaga. Tira ba?
Everyone!
Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging mayroong umaga. Kay ganda, parang sikat ng araw, at kapag ng liwanag sa ating pangarap. Oh, haharapin natin ang lechon.
Paan, 7,000, ano maralang, 40 metro. 7,000, ano maralang, 40 metro. 7,000.